To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. A quick overview of the course. The iPhone, as we've gone through, it's an amazing piece of equipment. Now, if used right, you can create some amazing images. Go out and practice. Don't be disheartened if the photo doesn't come out the way you want first time. Look at the photo and ask what went wrong. Perhaps recap on certain parts of this course. Analyze and break down the areas that didn't work well. Change them and shoot again. But most importantly, enjoy and develop your skills. This is a subject that can take the stress and strains out of your life. Something that allows you to get out, capture photos and create memories, and that you're excited to go and print and put up on the wall in your home. With the camera set up with all the right settings, you have the basics to capture, edit and back up all your amazing photos. Standing in front of your scene, no matter what it is, start to paint in your mind what you would like to capture in your image. What do you see that you want other people to see? How are you going to decide to give the image impact? What's the style of the photo? What's the composition going to be? Spend a few moments composing the image in your mind. How will you use the rule of thirds? Is the exposure right? Is the focus point and the image focused on the right area? Do I need any accessories to aid, like a tripod or reflector? How will I edit this photo? What can I do in post-production to enhance this image that will help me now before I take the photo? After a while, all these questions will become second nature and will occur in a blink of an eye, and you will act automatically. So that's the end of the course for now, but a new beginning for you and me. For you, it's the start of discovering photography in a new light. And for me, I'd like to continue this journey with you, and I'd love to hear from you and see some of your work, so please send me some links. If you have any questions at all, please drop me a comment with any questions. But please do remember, there is no such thing as a silly question. If you don't know, you don't know. I'm here to help, so just drop me a line at any time. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for taking the time to do this training. Please rate and make comments on what you have found most useful, along with any other elements that you'd like to be trained upon. Rating this course allows me to develop other courses to help you and fellow students. Don't forget, any questions, drop me a line, and I look forward to seeing some of your photos very soon. To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.